Hello friends, this is Venkatesh Dempo. Welcome to my channel Derag. Today I am going to teach you how to make an app in MIT App Inventor. To make this app, you will need to have an Android phone and follow my instructions. Today, during this lockdown period, let's cheer up our Corona warriors through this small clapping app. So let's get started. First, open your web browser or Google Chrome. Type MIT App Inventor login. Then click on the option MIT App Inventor login. Then click on the button Login again to MIT App Inventor. This will lead you to a page where it will be sign in. So you have to sign in with any Gmail account. This will not lead you to this page, but it will lead you to a terms and conditions apply agreement form. Then click on the OK button and it will lead you to this page. Click on Start New Project and name your project as anything you want. I will name it as Clap 3. If you want, you can name it as anything. But remember one thing, there are no spaces allowed in MIT App Inventor. So instead of spaces, you will have to put underscores. Click on the OK button and it will automatically open. It will lead you to screen 1 page. Now, drag an image from the user interface to screen 1. If you want, you can put the alignment to center 3 or to right 2. For today, I'll put my alignment to center 3. Now, drag a button and 2 labels from user interface to screen 1. This is my first label and this is my second label. Now click on image 1 and here it's written picture which is none. So type on none, go to upload file, choose a file and I will insert a clapping hands image to the screen 1. Choose OK. I will give the link of the image down in the description. Now click on button 1 and instead of button 1, keep the text as clap. So if you want, you can change the background color, the font bold, the font italic, the font size, the font typeface, the font height, the font width, and also the font color. If you want, you can also change the text alignment to left or right. So today I will change my font size to a little big 20 and the background color to orange, and I will also set the font to bold. Now click on text for label 1 and instead of text for label 1, type let's clap our hands for the Corona warriors. Now, I will change the font to bold and the background color will remain to white. Now I'll click on text for label 2 and instead of text for label 2, I will type click the clap button to hear the clapping sound. So now I will change the background color to green and the font to bold. Remember, don't change the font size above 15 because if you change it about 15, then your text might go out of the screen one. So now we need to insert a clapping sound on our screen one. So for that, go to media, drag sound one to screen one, and then here you can see the sound one source which is none. Now instead of none, I will upload a file. I'll choose a file and I'll choose this clapping file. So I will give the link of this file down in the description. Click on OK. It has got uploaded. So now our design is done. Now let's go to coding. Click on blocks. This is an empty screen. So if you are getting confused what is button 1, then again go to designer, go to button 1, click on the rename and rename it to clap because our button 1 name is clap. Now let's go to blocks again. Click on clap and then drag when clap.click. Go to sound. Take out call sound 1 play. Now the code will act like this. When the clap button is clicked, the sound 1 will play and the sound 1 is the clapping sound. Now go to designer, go to connect. First, before tapping on AI Companion, you have to download MIT AI2 Companion on your Android phone. I will give the link down in the description. After your AI2 Companion is downloaded, then click on AI Companion. You will get a code like this. Then in the AI Companion, put scan QR code. Then scan the QR code with the MIT AI2 Companion. Then a progress bar image will come on your laptop screen. After your program is loaded on the screen one of the MIT AI2 Companion, click on the button and the clap sound will play. So, did you hear the clap sound? I'm sure you had heard the clap sound. That was from my MIT AI2 Companion. So now, did you like today's class? Then please like our video. And for more videos, Please subscribe. Okay. Bye. Thank you, friends.